Good evening. How's everyone doing? Hopefully, hopefully you can hear me. Here's a quick bug I would like to demonstrate. Um, the bug has to do with JavaScript, not JavaScript. Excuse me, React. Okay, so React render.html. Here's the code header Sandy render. Okay, this states the root node is the HTML element where you want to display the results. It's like a container for content managed by React. It does not have to be a div element, and it does not have to have the ID root. I'm using W3 schools. When I run the example, there's no problem here. But when I run the example on my local machine, there's a problem. So I'm going to copy exactly this right here. I show you exactly the problem. So I'm going to switch over to the other desktop. Okay. Excuse the unclean desktop. So here are my two files, index.html and index.js. And I already have the np manager running. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste. I have npm running. So I copied and paste. Next, I'm going to go back to the other browser, copy index.js, copy this line of code. I already have import React from React and import ReactDom from ReactDom. So I'm going to switch over, go to index.js. Everything here is commented out is my notes as I go through the tutorial. So import React from React, import ReactDom from ReactDom. So now I'm going to highlight this code, replace it. The code is replaced. Going back to, and just make sure, and copy this again. Switch over. I'm going to paste it underneath. So that was incorrect. Let me try again. Copy. Switch back. Yes, import React from React, import ReactDom from ReactDom. Okay, exit it. I'm going to cut it because I no longer need it. Scroll down, save. Now this is saved and compiled successfully. Now I'm going to switch over to the browser and refresh. ReactDom.render Halo document get element by ID Sandy. Error, target container is not a DOM element. Target container. This is the target container is referring to. It's saying it's not a DOM element. Okay. Now here's what's weird. If I change the ID to root, save it. Come back here, change this to root as well. Save it. Open up npm. Open up the terminal. Compile successfully. Switch over. Refresh the page. There's no problem. So again, my issue is if this ID if this ID is not root, it does not work. This ID is currently Sandy, and this is referring to targeting Sandy. It works on this page. However, when I attempt to do it, it does not work. So that is a strange issue. If I change, let's say Apple, 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 just to make sure, two quotes, single quote, come back here, save, cancel, index.js, save, cancel. Save, there's nothing to cancel, I apologize. npm start, okay, compile successfully. Go back to React app, I click refresh. It does not work. So that is my problem. If the ID is not root, it does not work. However, reading this states the root node can be called whatever you like. It does not have to be a div element, and it does not have to have the ID equals root. So that is my issue, and that's the issue I'm having. And just to make sure, what I'm going to do is change the quotes. So is this single quote? That's single quote. Here, I'm instead of saying Apple double quote, I'm going to change it to single quote. Save it. Save it. Switch over. Refresh. Still does not work. So that is my issue. Thank you for watching. Um, uh, that's it.